GM, crypto investors. This is another week of crypto. It's the Monday, July 8th, 2024. A very, very interesting time that we're in. And the markets are again down for the month. We're basically massively red. But we're green for the year. If you put things into perspectives, it does make sense still that we're doing incredibly well. Bonk up 7,000%, Mantra up 3,000%, tokens like Fate and several others still pumping in green, 4x or so this year alone. Solana is 5x up. So it helps, guys, to keep things into perspective sometimes. But for the week, we're ready, we are ready, and the market is just making a recovery slowly. Today, our main topic of discussion is reward assets, RWA, the most undermined, overlooked categories of cryptocurrency right now that nobody wants to talk about, but it's time, it's coming, and it's going to shock everybody. And I don't want you guys to miss out when that time comes, because it is coming. Reward assets will shock the world. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys some of the best investments to make in the RWA category. Some of them that I've invested in myself, some of them that I'm aware of, and I just like some of those projects. So if you're just joining the live stream, welcome to the show. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the like button and drop a comment, chat. All the comments will be addressed at the end. It doesn't matter where you're watching from. You can be watching on X, YouTube, and Instagram. It doesn't really matter. All right. I'm just going to share this stream as well with some of our friends in the Telegram groups to make sure that everybody can join in. Very, 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 very important, guys. This might be the live stream that you need to make the right decisions, because a lot of people are confused right now, no idea what to do, and I'm here to help. So let's go. Let's go. Sharing this on the Telegram group. Here we go. I'll also share this in the Discord server, in the Crypto University server, to make sure that nobody miss out on what we are going to discuss today, guys. Very, very, very important. All right, so we invited everybody. They can join us as we go. And I might also want to share this on all the groups. Woo, the weekly looking really, really weird for real. Okay. So if you're just joining us, guys, come in, all in, and come and smash that like button. The most important live stream you watch on reward assets before the market starts pumping again and before you miss out again, because we don't want you to miss out. Nobody is going to miss out right now. All right, so let's get things going here. All right. Hey, by the way, congratulations to everybody who is Team Mercedes. If you're Formula One fans, it has been a big weekend for you guys for the Mercedes. I'm Team Red Bull, but man, love Lewis Hamilton. Good to see him win again as the GOAT. So shout out to all the people of Mercedes-Benz. Unfortunately, I did not go. I wasn't in London this time around to go watch at Silverstone. But congrats to everybody who made it there. I couldn't go. I'm stuck in Dubai right now, which is not a bad place to be stuck at. Okay. All right, so let's get things started, and we will start with some incredible news. What's going on in the world of reward assets or in the world of Bitcoin in general? So, Bitcoin is doing its own thing. There's a great article here by Forbes. It says, worst in history, Bitcoin suddenly hurtling toward a $1.9 trillion shock after huge price crash. So, if you're wondering why Bitcoin is down bad the way it is now, well, I can give you some pointers. The German government was trying to sell some Bitcoin in the billions of dollars, and then they reversed their decision and put back the Bitcoin in cold storage. So they sold, but just a little bit. And then there's also Mount Gox. They started their process of paying back all the victims of the 2014 cryptocurrency exchange hack. So those forces combined, obviously they had to take the Bitcoin price down with it. But there is a silver lining. Very, very, very good news is that the Germany government, like I said, they have reversed their decision. They're no longer selling anytime soon from what it's been known. That's one. And on the other side of the digital assets, according to, where is that article? Yeah, according to CoinDesk, Mantra to tokenize $500 million worth of real estate assets for UAE builder MAG Group. So if you're in Dubai like me, you probably already know about the MAG Group. It's one of the developers, one of the biggest. So in March, the Middle East focused Mantra raised $11 million for its real world asset tokenization efforts. And right now, they just got a deal to tokenize 500 million worth of real estate. The firm will tokenize the real estate assets in several tranches. Investors will earn yields through stablecoins and OM tokens. So Mantra Chain will tokenize $500 million worth of assets of Dubai real estate developer MAG, the firms said in a press release shared with CoinDesk. Mantra, which is focused on the Middle East, will tokenize the assets in multiple tranches. The first tranche will include a residential project, Ketura Reserve, which is being built by MAG in Maiden. I was in Maiden yesterday playing golf. It's where I like to train every Sunday. Beautiful area. The tranche will also package $75 million mega mansion that the Ritz-Carlton Residences Dubai Creekside development part of the Ketura Resort. Investors will yield through stablecoins and Mantra's or M token. They are expected to have to receive yields of 8% from the stablecoins to be granted additional OM coins. So guys, this is a big deal, and because it symbolizes a clear trajectory of a trend in crypto of really bridging real world assets and cryptocurrency. It's happening in front of our eyes, but right now, a lot of people are taking it easy. They don't think that it's a real deal because a lot of people now are used to meme coins and stuff like that, that they're losing touch of what is going on. And this is one step for many to come through. So if Mantra DAO can strike a deal like this, a legitimate deal with MAG Group in Dubai, what do you think Ondo is going to do? So meanwhile, while the market is oversold and everybody is crying about stuff, very, very important to pay attention to the ground, to really what's going on. So Mantra is a project that I didn't invest at all myself. Mantra, or OM, it's a ticker, this project. I didn't invest myself because I felt like it was too high. It was extremely overbought. But right now, it looks like it's going to enter a territory of opportunity. Now, keep in mind, this coin is only down by 15% from its all-time high. So it's still in its all-time high areas if you think about it. So I'm still waiting for a much, 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 much bigger decline. And then I'm going to enter somewhere around 70 cents or so. I will feel very comfortable to make an investment now in OM. So Mantra is one project that I'm definitely excited about, and I think it's going to do well. So let's just look at the chart. Mantra OM. Okay, this is what the chart looks like. And you can definitely see it here that their support level, the critical support level is somewhere where I said around 69 to 70. And it has tested these levels multiple times. So if you're a patient investor, I think there's something to be said here. You could wait for it and grab it whenever it falls through. The good thing about Mantra here is that there is a lot of liquidity picking it up. Very good support level at these levels. All right. And before we continue, there is another exciting announcement that I need you guys to know about. So, you know that Fusio by BlockGuard, or you probably know about BlockGuard already. BlockGuard is an investment management company from the United States. These guys, they're now launching today. And if you're a crypto investor, or if you're an investor, retail, or you're an institutional investor, this is something very important for you guys. Fusio has now launched, which is a product of BlockGuard. BlockGuard has sort of rebranded one of these products called Fusio. And what you can do on Fusio, you can create a portfolio and let other investors follow your picks, your tokens. Or if you, let's say you want to invest in RWA and you're like, okay, I don't want to think about the hard way of doing it. I just want to follow someone reliable on a reliable platform. You can go to Fusio on BlockGuard, and then you can select whatever portfolio you want here. So I created my own portfolio here because I am an authorized investor on BlockGuard. You need to have an NFT that costs a lot of money for you to be able to create your own portfolio, which you can. I created a portfolio here called the RWA Fund. So if you want to expose yourself to this portfolio, all you gotta do, you go to Fusio, and if you go to explore, you'll see the RWA fund. It's mine. You click on it, and then you can decide how much money you want to put. Let's say $100,000, 1, 2, 3, and then you can connect your wallet. It's completely decentralized, DeFi, and you invest, and automatically your investment will be split into this allocation here that I have right here. So it will be based on this. So there are other tokens that they don't have yet, like Ondo and stuff like that. They will be listed very soon. Once they list, I will update this portfolio with those tokens as well to make sure that this is a solid, up-to-date portfolio on reward assets. I'll also create other portfolios there, like meme coins and stuff like that. So make sure you check it out. Easiest way to manage your money, manage your investments in crypto. If you want, you can also get the NFT yourself and start managing your own fund directly on Fusio. You become the fund manager. All right. Moving forward. Now, we talked about Mantra, which is also part of my portfolio here. Let's talk about all the other projects in the reward assets. Another one is Ondo. Of course, we cannot talk about anything else and not talk about Ondo, guys. Ooh, look at it. This is what Ondo looks like at the moment, bleeding heavily, approaching the 80 to 88 cents levels of accumulation. And if you are looking for an opportunity on Ondo, there are so many people that say, oh, great, but we're looking for $1 right now is too much. Okay, it's too much. Now you have your opportunity. you have an opportunity to buy under $1. This is an opportunity that does not come very often. So if you're going to be snoozing and be like, oh, I'll do it later, you will cry because when the market bounces back, guys, it's going to be real. Let me show you what is about to happen in the US. Okay, this is Forbes News. The Bitcoin price has fallen to lows not seen since February, has collapsed. Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox begins moving what could be a tidal wave of Bitcoin. Now, as the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, has warned of a critical period, the Bitcoin price is braced for the US budget deficit to increase by 27% next year to 1.9 trillion, something that some think is likely to pump the Bitcoin price. So we have had a good year so far in crypto. 2025 is going to be even more bananas than this because the US government is in trouble and they only have one exit door right now. They have to print money. The deficit is more likely to increase by 27%. I think it's going to be more than that. And guess what happens when that happens? Bitcoin pumps non-stop. So when Bitcoin pumps, everything else follows with it. So if you're sleeping on Ondo, I don't even know what to tell you. Like these are your opportunities to enter because it's going to pump towards the end of the year. And then at the very, very end of the year in December, it will dump because there's an unlock coming. We have already talked about that on this channel multiple times. So if you're sleeping on Ondo, that's your problem. But for me, I just added even more Ondo to my position. That's what you do. It's a Warren Buffett style. If you buy something, guys, it's so rare in this market to find assets that are really, really valuable. There's a lot of nonsense, meme coins and all the other garbage. Now, just like Warren Buffett, he invests in one company every 2 years because it's rare. Ondo is one of those blue chips. So take advantage, not financial advice, of course, but this is your chance. We're basically just at the edge of a support level right here, and we're more likely to bounce back. Never say that I didn't tell you, because I did. Another one is Pendle. Pendle is another reward asset project. Similar to Ondo, it's also getting into a weird territory, has been hammered big time. And you can see it's also basically by the edge of a critical support level right here at 3.2 is where the critical support starts, all the way down to about 2.3. So another great opportunity to buy more Pendle. I do not own a lot of Pendle, but right now I'm looking at this as a massive opportunity for me to take advantage of the price crash and buy. And this is it for those of you who are like, okay, what is the ticker? You can check it out here. Pendle. Market cap $500 million, which is not much. Because if you go to CryptoSlate and you have a look at the reward assets category like this, you can see that Chainlink is an $8 billion coin, still at $8 billion market cap Chainlink. Okay? And then you got Ondo coming at 1.2 billion. So guys, we still have a long way to go. I don't understand all these weird weak hands people that are selling their Ondo and panicking because of a small price crash. Days are coming. Just look. Chainlink, as bad as it is right now, it's still maintaining $8 billion. And Ondo definitely has to be way more than that, considering that BlackRock is behind and a lot of these reward assets projects are going to melt faces. So don't sleep on it, guys. Just do something about it. Invest, buy, hold, stake, provide liquidity. One mistake the mistake you can make is to just sell immaturely, because you will cry about it and you will remember this video. Okay, what else did I want to chat with you guys when it comes to reward assets? Another one is Goldfinch. So GFH. Goldfinch, GFI. Okay, so we talked about this token already previously. I just want to remind everybody here, this project is having a lot of trouble. All right, it's basically it's being resuscitated at the moment, if it works at that. But it's down bad because it's facing some financial challenges. We can just Google it, Goldfinch crypto. Okay. So it's going through a default. I don't know what's the latest news on it. However, if you have the balls and you buy it up while everybody else is dumping it and there's a lot of bad news, I can tell you that you might just be come out as a winner. This is not the first time these things have happened in crypto. We have seen several projects that completely went under, like Luna, for example. And we have also seen some project that survived the difficulty, bounced back, and became major project, like Rune, Thorchain. It went all under $2 at one point, even $1, and then it bounced back all the way to $12. Now it's taking a hit a lot. So be mindful that things can turn around. So if you're looking for assets that are completely oversold and they're not priced correctly because people are fearful, Goldfinch is that opportunity if you have the balls to hold on to it. Because when it bounced back and returned to its glory days, I mean, the pump is going to be astronomical. So I do hold some of this coin. I have to be clear about that. But I'm also aware that it could go to zero. But it's listed on Coinbase and several other major exchanges. It has a lot of good people and money behind it. So the odds in my books are that it's going to survive. And this moment might just be an easy call for one to make and accumulate it. Never say I didn't tell you. See a lot of questions here. Hader says, can someone be a billionaire with arbitrage trading? So I'm not a billionaire myself, so I cannot really advise you on how to become a billionaire. Sorry about that. I prefer to talk about things that I can demonstrate. I can help you to become a millionaire for sure. A billionaire, I don't know how that works. I'm still figuring it out myself too. But can you become a millionaire with arbitrage? Of course. There's multiple ways to do it. You can start with no ones or Paxful, Binance P2P. I created an entire course on how to do P2P and generate daily income. And then you invest the profits into crypto after you do that, right? Can I be able to buy Ondo from Coinbase? Yes, correct. Ondo is already listed on Coinbase. Is it not better to wait and see on Goldfinch? Well, you can wait, but then what if this is the bottom? Because it has maintained this price level handsomely. So you never know. I mean, maybe you could wait. You could wait and then you could actually go down further, or you could wait, then it would go to $4. So it just depends. Whatever you decide, you're still going to have to pay a price for it. Please, is it advisable to buy Mantra right now? Mantra is only 15% down from its all-time high, so I don't think right now is a good time. But make sure you put your buy orders. It's available on OKX. Link to OKX, guys, is in the description below. Take advantage of it. So I would wait for it to reach somewhere around 74 cents, even more at 67, even more if it had to go down to like 50 or below. So the smartest thing you can do is to just put buy orders here, another one here in advance so that the whole game becomes automated for you. Can I touch on Ton? Yeah, sure. Yeah, Ton is also another one that has been performing really well. I'm so surprised by how much it has managed to maintain its price up there. I don't know if that's sustainable considering that everything else is down bad. So if you're holding ton and you're in profit, I would mind right now just taking a profit so that I can enter again at $5, $6. Because when it starts crushing, I think it could go ugly. Notcoin is the same also. It's within the same bracket in my books where they haven't had a serious crash that can be compared to the pump that it had. So you have to be extremely careful with Ton and Not. But otherwise, these are good projects. I sleep at night. I invested, and I don't think I'm that interested in selling. It's just that you have to be aware. Read the room. Everything else is falling, and not many coins are going to manage to maintain the upward momentum they have, including Bread, Ton, Not, all these coins. Thanks, Sharks BTC. Really appreciate it. Kami says, hello, dude. You stream pretty cool content. That's why I follow you. I would love to make friends to be a long term fan. I will also kindly chat in Discord. Spencer, thank you so much, sir. The best thing to for us to connect is for you to join the Crypto University Discord server. Link is in the description below. Join in, and then we can talk there. Great community, always helping each other out to succeed in this market. Okay, I have to go now, guys. But if you want to take cryptocurrency seriously and change your life, go to cryptouniversity.network courses and take the Web3 Masterclass. It's the only course you're ever going to need on crypto. It has everything to do with NFTs, trading, that's derivatives, arbitrage, or DeFi, everything that you need for you to survive in crypto. This is the survival Web3 Masterclass you need. If you want to start generating an income from crypto and make money, make sure you grab it. Okay, somebody here talk about dog. So I would do a live stream on runes sometime this week, but we can just have a look at dog here quickly. Okay, so you can see my analysis here is still relevant, right? There we go, guys. That's why charts are magic. You have to use them. Look, dog just touched the critical level of support here in this gray area. Now, if you didn't sell like me, you were just holding, this is another important period and opportunity for you to pick it up. So remember this, guys. A lot of these coins are so bad and down right now, but there will be a time where this price is going to be here. And we'll be looking at all this as under. So you have to really be wise and smart. It will be a very, very difficult moment to hold, but it's going to be much, much, much worth it. So don't sleep on these opportunities. I'm just here to remind you. That's why I make these live streams. I'm just here to remind you, tell you, hey guys, this is crypto. It rewards people that don't quit. And you have to make the right decisions and buy when the opportunities present themselves. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and I will see you guys on the other side. Stay awesome.